In this video, I'll be showing you how to test an Eaton Fuller air regulator. It's present on the 13, 15, 18 speed transmissions, and there's almost all the any transmission that has an air control, higher and low range valve has one of these. There's two types of them. This one is slightly different, and they look almost the same. And from the front, they are the same. And the only difference is in the back, where, as you can see, in the back, this one has these two extra holes, and this one doesn't. I'll do a separate video on that later if you want to see. But it's actually, to test this, it's very simple. There's one big hole, which is 3/8 NPT. It's a lot bigger than the other ones, and it actually says in, and that's your air in, that's the input. And then all of the other holes are outputs, except for this one on the top. I think this one is just for you to gain access to the clean out the filter if you have to. And basically what this does, all this does is it reduces the air pressure from 110, 100, whatever the air pressure is, to between 57 and 60 psi. 57 and 63 psi, something like that. Yes, 57 and 63 to 63 psi. So right now, the input is 130, something around there. And everything is currently off. And then when I turn on the valve, it'll go in through here, and 3 outputs. Yes, there's just 3 outputs. That's a maximum. So we have 130 psi, and there's our 50. It's not actually going to be 60 because I have a bit of air leaking, but that's what it's supposed to be at. Hope this helps.